At 5:17 right now, a woman from University Heights doesn't have a lot of money, but her house was in desperate need of repair.
So she hired a contractor, but that is when she tells us the nightmare began. 5 on Your Side investigator Jonathan Walsh has more on this contractor's long history of bad deals.
What kind of work did he promise to do?
He promised to put a form around the back.
74-year-old Jan Bernstein from University Heights says she hired William Burke from Cuyahoga Construction last November. A neighbor recommended him. Obviously, you need to repair the steps.
He was going to replace it with wooden steps and railings.
Jan tells us her second-level porch needed replacement as well, so she gave Burke nearly $2,000 to start. This is what Jan says he left behind after a $2,000 deposit. Extension cords, wood, gutters he took down. But all of this has been here since November.
I feel like crying every time I pull my driveway.
Jan tells us she paid another $2,000 for the demolition work. Hey, Bill. We tracked him down at his home on Cleveland's west side. Jonathan Walsh from News 5. How are you? He mumbled something, ran inside, and locked the door. Bill, we need to ask you some questions. You told me you would be over there. Bill, what do you have to say about this $21,000 fine from the AG's office? You heard that correctly. In May, Burke was hit with a nearly $22,000 judgment against him after the Ohio Attorney General went after his contracting deception. For now, Jan has to get rid of the water that collects on her porch because she can't collect a total of $4,200 back from Burke.
This is just minor, but to me, on a fixed income, it's a lot of money.
I'm 5 on Your Side investigator, Jonathan Walsh.
Jan filed a police report against William Burke and Cuyahoga Construction Company.
The University Heights Police Department says it's still investigating to see if it can charge Burke with the crime. Up next,